Just a quick video to show you that this year's garden pretty much sucks so far. Today, the day before Memorial Day, we're out here in winter coats and hats. That's how bad it is. It's freezing. Now, one good thing is, let's look at the pear trees on the way down to the garden. You can see we're going to have pears this year. We do have quite a few small ones on there getting started, so that's a good thing. But basically, you can see everything's a total mess right now. There's been so wet, rainy, and cold that really I haven't been able to get going yet. Whenever we get a dry day, I've got to mow grass, it seems like. But here's that one Vivor raised bed that I finally got filled with compost, and trying some zucchinis in there. And these beds here, if you remember last fall, my wife was in the hospital for a month, and the garden never got finished up, cleaned up, or anything, so I still have a mess to clean up here. But a couple potatoes coming up, and we have to cover them at night because of the cold. The garlic just loves it. You can see there, and there's the shallots I put in earlier. They're doing good. The carrots and beets, they're kind of covered in weeds. The weeds seem to love this cold weather more than anything. There's bok choy, something bugs kind of ate that up, so that's not too good. And the peas, the seeds pretty much got pulled out by the birds again this year. A little bit of spinach there. And the one thing we're getting are radishes, and that's pretty much what I'm out here today to do, is grab some radishes to eat. And the lettuce had poor germination. I think some of the seeds actually rotted from all the wet, and the same with the spinach, the early spinach. I pretty much see everything's a mess. I still haven't cleaned them all up. I'm working on beds whenever I get a chance, but still got a mess, and hoping for some good warm weather. Get out here and enjoy it. Onions are in. I put them in a couple weeks ago. They were loving this cold, wet weather. And there's another batch of onions. I got some more beds to clean up down there, and pretty much just wanted to show you that nothing's really going yet, and I still have a mess to clean up. So gonna be a really late start this year, it looks like. And there's the Alyssa Craig onions. They're doing great. We'll be start using them probably in a couple of weeks, the way they're taking off. They love this cold, wet weather. But pretty much just wanted to show you that, this is where the garden stands this year. And oh yeah, there's the boss out there to help me pick some radishes and get rid of all the compost from the kitchen. So time to just grab some, thin out some more radishes, and they are beautiful this year. Every time you get a good cold season like this in the beginning, the bugs, don't really get going on them, and the little worms don't eat them, and they just do fantastic. So got lunch there. And like I said, that's about all we've gotten. And I did grab a little bit of lettuce today too to thin that out. And I emptied the water gauge 2 days ago, over an inch again. It's like every 2 days we've had between 1 and 3 inches lately. It seems like it's just totally nuts this year. Really a cold one, and cycles like this do happen. So that's where I am now, and hopefully I'll have some updates, when I get going. But time to clean up the radishes here and put the stuff in the compost pile. So at least we're getting radishes and a little bit of lettuce, just some micro lettuce right now while I'm starting to thin it out. Hopefully, more comes in, but we'll see what the weather does. And up by the house on the way up, you see the red maple's good, and this Japanese peony bush is blooming, but the wind and the rain and the cold kind of destroys the blooms as soon as they open. So I'm hoping that we do get some better weather to watch the rest of them open. And my sweet potatoes are actually sitting in the window. They came a little over a week ago, and just too cold to put them out yet. So I'm hoping next week we get a little warmer weather. Anyhow, so that's where we stand now, and please stop the raining cold. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.